was a time when Optimus and Megatron were not sworn enemies. Optimus wasn't always a pride. Orion Pax. Megatronus. Megatronus vowed to challenge Cybertron's leadership. Megatron appeared before the High Council to propose his vision, and it was here that he began to reveal his true colors. But Orion did not believe in violence as a means of achieving justice. Megatron came to wage war on all who opposed him. Warfare consumed Cybertron. Orion found himself before Primus himself, and bestowed the Matrix upon him. It was thus Orion Pax came to be Optimus, the last of the Primes.